So what is up guys, welcome back to another Slide Light video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I got 100 subscribers in just a week of uploading. But before the video starts, if you enjoyed the video, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as I post content every 2 days and it's about gaming and other creative stuff. So if you do subscribe, I appreciate you. Now let's get into the video. So I started uploading on a two-day basis on November 19, 2020. I uploaded my first YouTube shorts on November 18, 2020. The first video that got the whole thing rolling is this VALORANT montage, which I think did pretty awful compared to the rest of my videos. As you can see, it only has 57 views and 95.2% like-dislike ratio. But this is what rolled out the park for me and kept me going. Until one day I decided to post this most satisfying JETT play, which got over 4.2k views. Bear in mind, in this point my channel only has 16 subscribers, and this really set out my motivation to continue on doing this. So this is one of my tips if you want to get 100 subscribers, is you gotta post YouTube shorts. Not all of your content must be YouTube shorts, but you gotta post at least once YouTube shorts that will blow up, as YouTube now has these shorts section inside their recommended page, which is extremely clickable. Like if you see shorts videos on your YouTube app, you will ultimately click it, as it's just a few seconds of your time and it's usually pretty entertaining to watch. So yeah, you gotta post YouTube shorts in order to get some amount of viewers that will hopefully subscribe to the channel if you have a call to action on that video. A call to action is something that you say or something that you put out in the video, such as subscribe or like the video if you enjoyed. Those are call to actions. And if you have good call to actions and you have a good video that people like, see, the like to dislike ratio in this video is 100% with 36 likes and 0 dislikes. Hence this video will get put out more and more into the YouTube recommended page by YouTube. But it doesn't have to be 100% ratio, as I have another shorts called Most Satisfying Viper Play, and it has a pretty bad, not bad, but pretty average like to dislike ratio of 76.5%, but it has more views than the JETT one, which has 100% like to dislike ratio. I believe this is the cause, as there are more comments, hence causing more interest in the video. More people want to watch the video, hence giving me more subscribers towards my channel. And so I follow up these shorts with a continuation of shorts in my channel, as I put them all in one playlist and you can view them on my channel. It's given people like an easier way to watch the shorts and an easy way to get satisfied with watching it. As you can see, all my shorts except the newest one, which is Most Satisfying SKYE Play, has over 300 views now, has over 300 views. Like this one has 4.2k, and this one have 3.3k, this one have 784, this one has 7,237. This is like insane for me, as I only have now 105 subscribers as of this time, and to get these numbers, to be pulling like 100 views on average is fucking surreal. It shows that the subscribers are engaging at a 10% rate, which is not even 10%, a fucking positive 130%, which is more than my subscribers, but yet I get more views. Hence I only have 105 subscribers, but my how to get crispy aim video got 136 views. This all combines ultimately to the content quality you're putting out and the thumbnails you're showing, as the thumbnails needs to be easy to click and easy to understand and yet interesting, so that they want to watch the video. Such as this, I show my gameplay and then me practicing, and then my gameplay, and then a picture of JETT with a crosshair. This shows like engagement, this shows interest in whatever game my audience are playing, hence they give interest to me. And yeah, that's basically how I got 100 subs from a week posting on my first week here on my gaming channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope this is useful to all of you, so that if you want to start a YouTube channel, you will know like the ins and outs and how to post YouTube shorts, how to time it well. in between videos and how to find the schedule that is most suited to you, such as like a 2-day basis, a 3-day basis, every day even, but I don't recommend every day. It's gonna burn you out. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like. See you next time.